Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn about how we can track the calls. So either the tracking done from the call extension, tracking done from the call from the ads, or the call made from our website. If you are running a service-based business, tracking a call become a must part. The reason behind that is the more data Google can get, the more optimized your ad can be. So I'm gonna share my screen and I will show you step-by-step process how to track the calls within the Google ads. So let's dive to the screen share. Okay, I'm here in one of the account. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna come in tools and setting and we're gonna go up to the conversion. Okay, so as you can see that we have already made a few of the call extension in here, so I'm gonna make a few new one so you can see how that can be done. Okay, so first thing is new conversion action, and you're gonna come up here in the phone calls. So it is giving us three options: call from the ads, calls to number on your website, and clicks on number on mobile site. Okay, so that's the three way. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna choose the first option, which is a call from ad using call extension. So if we are using a call extension in our Google Ads, so we can choose this option. Okay, so you can give the conversion name. So you can say call ads. I'm gonna say demo, so I can delete it later on. Over here you can choose the value. So if you know the value of the call you're gonna receive it, you can give it like $1 or maybe let's say $20. Or if you don't want to use the value, just simply click on don't use the value. But Google is recommending this one, so it's totally up to you which way you want to go. This is the another metric which is very important. So do you want to get a conversion for every time they call you, or you just wanna take that conversion action one time from one number? So from my recommendation, I would suggest you to go with the one. So because you don't want to track conversion from the same number multiple times. Okay, so what are we gonna do? We're gonna keep it as it is. Okay, here we comes the call length. So in the call length, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put only 10 seconds because we want to track every call which we're gonna receive. You can go for the 5 second for better tracking, but it's totally up to you. Okay, so 5 or 10 second both can work, right? Okay, so that's a click through window. So you can go for custom 60 days, 45 days, but the sweet window is 30 days. So within 30 days we just want to if they have interacted with our business, and within 30 days if they have called us, that can be tracked as a conversion. Okay, so in the final one is the attribution. So either it's a data driven, last click, or all of these one is not available anymore. So we have only two options, either is a data driven or the last click. So last click is like whatever the last ad they have interacted and call you, and that's where the attribution will go, all the credit will go to that particular ad. But with the data driven, I think that is more accurate, so we're gonna go with the data driven. Okay, so create and continue. So as you can see that this is the conversion action which we have made, which is a call ads demo, and you can see that action optimization, which is a primary. So we are counting as our primary conversion, and conversion source is a call from the ads. The all conversion, how many conversion we got will come up here, and the conversion value for the call. So let's say if we have put it $20 for one call, so 10 calls mean it's $200. And status, there is a no recent conversion, and if there is any issue, that will come up here. Now we're gonna go to the asset section. So which we need to do, go back, come up here and add an asset, and in the asset column, so you have to go find this call extension. As you can see that this is the asset which we have already connected. So to see this one, where this one is connected, just click on the edit button, or if you don't see anything in here, just click on simply on the plus icon and make your call extension up here. Okay, you can add to the account level or campaign level, but I would recommend you to go on the account level so it can be used on everywhere in your account. So as we already have done it, so I'm gonna cancel this one. So in here you can see that we're gonna edit this one, edit, and over here we can see that this is the number conversion action, you can see that, and the call extension. So this is the one we have created up. So if as we have already been tracking this one with this conversion action, so that's why we have clicked it up. So if you want to use with this one, just click on that one and then save. So I'm not gonna do this one, so I'm just only gonna leave it up here. Okay, so this is the call extension, And the process for the call ads is pretty much same. All we have to do up here is come in tool and setting, go back, conversion action or conversions, new conversion action, go up in the phone calls. So if you're running a call only ad for your business and you specifically want to track those ads, not just call extension, all you have to do is click on this one, same option, and then continue. And over here you need to say call only ads. I'm gonna say demo so I can delete it later on. Over here you can provide a conversion value depend on your business, or you can leave it as it is of $1, and then count is same, and the call length we're gonna go for 5 seconds, so we want to track everything. And the click-through window is same, attribution data driven is same, and create and continue. Okay, and done. So for this one I'm gonna go for another account where we are running a call only ads, so just give me 1 second. So as you can see that in this account we are specifically running a call only ads. Okay, so all we have to do up here is, if you are running a call only ad, so you need to go in your call only ads, and then while you setting up your call only ad, you just go on your ad group and in your asset, and over here you can manually choose that one if you haven't chosen up before. Either when you're setting up your call only ad, over here, which you can see in your conversion action. So in the conversion action, just choose only call only ads. So that way you will track how many calls you get from your call only ad rather than just tracking the call extension. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the call extension and call only ad. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up a conversion action to track the calls from our website. Okay, third and the final one is to track the call from our website. So let's say if you have a landing page and then you are running an ad to your landing page and you want to track how many people have called you from that specific landing page. So to track the call from the website, we need to go back again in tools and setting, conversion, to click on new conversion action on phone calls, and this time we're going to click on the second option, which is calls to a phone number on your website. Okay, and then continue. So this time it's gonna give us the different option, or this one is pretty much same. So what we're gonna do here is call tracking from website demo. Okay, and this one value is same. It's totally up to you how much you want to put it. And the count we're gonna keep it as 1, so because we don't want a conversion from the same number. And then over here we're gonna put the number, just to make sure the number you're gonna put it up here must match with your website, otherwise the Google will not accept this conversion action. Okay, so we're gonna put this number. Call length we're gonna go again for the 5 second, and the click-through window is same, and attribution is data driven. Create and continue. Okay, so we have the 3 option, which is either we can install the tag directly to the website. So all you have to do is put this snippet of code on the header of your website, and plus this font script code onto your website. Okay, but if you are using a Google Tag Manager, then you can use the Google Tag Manager as well. Or if you got a developer who works for you, you can simply put their email and then they can implement the code for you. To simplify this process, we're gonna use the Google Tag Manager. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we have a conversion ID, conversion label. So I'm gonna open up the Google Tag Manager. Okay, here we are in our Google Tag Manager for this particular account. So all we need to do is create a new, and then over here we can give a specific name so that you can recognize that it is a conversion tag for the call ads. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is call tracking from website dash Google ads. So the naming convention is totally up to you as long as you remember it. So just be specific as much as you can so that you remember this one. Okay, for the tag configuration, all we need to do up here is Google Ad Call. So we need to put this one, Google Ad Call from website conversion. Okay, so over here we just need to put the number which we want to track of over here is the conversion ID. So conversion ID is up here. So we're gonna copy this one and we're gonna paste up here. Conversion label, which is up here, and we're gonna drag up here. Okay, for the trigger, we want to trigger this one on all of the pages. So we're gonna click on this one, all pages, and then save. So before you leave this page, just either you can preview it or just simply submit. Okay, and here you say added the call tracking from the website with Google Ads. Okay, and all we need to do is hit publish. Okay, and continue, and that's it. So now what we have done is we have published this one, and then this particular conversion action which we have did, you have set up your call tracking from website demo conversion action, and then all we're gonna do is done. So this is the call tracking from the website which has been done. As you can see that this is a primary source, and conversion source is from website, and the conversion value, all conversion value here, and the status is showing inactive at the moment because there is no conversion has happened. Either you can go to your own ad, click it up, and then make a call from your website, then you will see it, or you can wait 3-4 hours until there is a conversion happen, or maybe 1 day or 2 days, depending on the traffic you are sending to your website. So that's pretty much it with the conversion tracking from the calls. So you can track the calls from either from your extension, or either you can track your call only ad, or if you are sending traffic to your landing page and people are gonna make the call from there, you can set up a website call tracking. I hope this video has provided you the enough value, and now you know how to set up the call tracking the right way. So if you have still any question regarding the call tracking, just leave the comment below and I will try to help you out as soon as possible. Other than that, I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.